Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to our small backyard garden. So the severe thunderstorm just passed and I am here at the backyard just to check what's going on here in the garden. This is my topaz jewel rose and I couldn't believe that it's blooming at this time. We are in the summer and look what's inside here. Let's check it out. Here, the Japanese beetle. And right now, as you can see, we just had a heavy rain and the sun is out. All the hydrangeas are down. And seems everything looks great here at the backyard. Now earlier when I came out, there's a sparrow that having a bath right there, but I think I scared it off. So it flew away from that tree over there. So in this bird path right here, we have many birds that's come and batter every day. Sometimes I'm just sitting on this bench over right here and just sit still, and they will come and I'm just watching them having their good day of bath. And then I have another one over here. This is their favorite. I think it's because it's shallow and they feel secure. So the robins comes here in the morning, the sparrow, the finch. And now, if you can see the zinnias right there, that's the spot where the hummingbird loves to hang out. So every year I always don't forget to plant zinnias for hummingbird, because that's how they come here in the backyard, because of those flowers. Now my climbing rose here is just only 1 year old, a new done rose, but it's already right all the way to the top. I'm hoping that it will climb from there all the way to the other side. And on the other side I have the new down rose. Oh no, not the new down rose, but the Westerland rose. But the Westerland rose seems a bit slower to grow. I love the creeping jenny right down here below. It looks so beautiful with a combination of petunia and the calla lily. This is the water fountain that we have here in our small backyard garden, and it does invite a lot of birds, and sometimes you'll see some dragonfly right there. This is a type of marigold, and I've never seen the bloom yet, but this one has a beautiful bloom. The color of it is like carnation, and I can't wait to see it bloom. I have the Lilium right here. I just added this to the garden last spring, and I really like the color of it. It's so beautiful and it's so huge. It smells amazing too. Now let's go to the other side. Now, this is my blueberry plant. And you know what? Oh my goodness, this is a hummingbird. We just missed a hummingbird. I don't know if my camera got it. I'll come back later. But anyways, this is the blueberry right here. And as you can see, the color has changed. That means we have some cooler nights already. I have the powwow white echinacea. This is one of my favorite here. My favorite summer perennial. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. When the flower dried up, I will leave it alone because the finches like to eat the seeds. And here's another benches that I'd like to sit down in the morning. As soon as I sit on this chair, I would see all the birds on my bird bath and all the flowers. Let's take a look at the vegetable garden. I like to place my tools in here. It is very accessible for me when I need to do some work here in the garden. Oh my goodness, look. I already have some ripe tomatoes to harvest. So in this small garden in here, most of the plants I planted it vertically to save some space. So right here, I have the beans, which is growing all the way to the top. And then I have some tomatoes in here. This is an indeterminate tomato, so it will grow all the way to the top of these trellis as well. And then on that side, I have some beans right there. And then a volunteer squash, cucumbers, and a better melon. Actually, let's take a look if there's some cucumber that is ready to harvest. Oh yay, there is one. Let's take it out. This is a pickling cucumber. I grew this from seeds. There, that's very nice. Let's see if there's more in here. Oops, there's another one right here. And more. You know, it's been raining here for a few days and sometimes I can't get out here in the garden. As soon as I come out here, there's many things to harvest. Anyways, I want to show you the flower that I started from seeds recently, and they are all growing beautifully. Here we go. This is a Echinacea, and it's growing so well and so healthy. I think this one is powwow white, and this is a sweet Williams. There's 5 of them there. I grow them from seeds. My Swiss chard is huge, and that's the kale. Here's the deal. And some beets, carrots, tomatoes. Here we have the little gate in here so that at least it would help to deter some pests. Look at that. I have some tomatoes that need to be harvested. Anyways, that's all for today. I just want to update you on what's going on here in a small little garden. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.